Hello, my name is Christine and I run a vintage shop on Etsy. Today I wanted to talk about antique folding cameras. I have one right here that I happen to have with the original box and the original booklet that came with it, and then right here is the camera itself. So one of the things that I personally have noticed when we've had these antique cameras in the store is that they can be a little tricky to open. And so I thought this might be a good opportunity to kind of demo how to do that. Because they're older and they tend to be kind of stiff, it's a bit intimidating to actually attempt to muscle them into cooperating. So I figured if I show it, then once you guys get a chance to see how they should operate, it might make it a little more comfortable to be willing to actually, put the muscle needed to get the camera open. So here's the camera, and I want to show right here, let's put it in front of the box, there's a little button. Not all buttons will look like this. Sometimes they're a little bigger and flatter, but essentially what you want to look for when you're dealing with a closed camera is a button of some sort that you can push. So I would definitely flip it on all sides. It could be on the end here. It's usually on one of these sides like this or like this, but it could be on any side. So just look around for a button that you can depress and just, start pushing things. Now you can hear that made a pretty loud click when I hit the button. So, and it's already trying to open. But once you get the button pushed and you hear it click, that means it let go. It could still be pretty stiff. In fact, I'm going to show you that this is pretty stiff, because when I try to close it again, it does not want to close. There we go. So you can see they are fairly stiff, and this is making a lovely creaking noise as I open and shut it. But once you get it, again, it doesn't want to close. Once you get it working and you get it popped open a little bit, it may not move very much. So you may have to really pull hard to even get it to release like this. And then once you do, there will probably be, once it's got fully extended, a click that shows you that it's in place. Now, I can't get this one to click, so I'm not going to try. But it is fairly fully open at this point. And you can see there's actually a little kickstand under here that I can use to prop it up. So now it looks like you would expect it to look, which is the bellows is open. It's standing on its own nicely. You could use this as a display in your home office or, man cave, wherever it is you're going to put it. But that is how you open and close an antique folding camera. Well, actually, hold on. Let's actually talk about the closing part. As you saw, this one is a little tricky to operate on the closing, and I've had to muscle it a good bit to get it shut. But once you get the bellows folding down, then you just press it back in, and we can use this button to pop it back out if we want to. So there you have it. That's how you would operate a folding camera. Hopefully watching me demo it and struggle with it will give you the courage to actually put forth the effort needed to get your camera open. Good luck.